All creators in the YouTube Partner Program can now enable Super Thanks on their videos and earn more revenue. A YouTube monetization tool called Super Thanks, which allows creators to make money directly from viewers, is now available to all eligible channels. As a creator, it enables you to earn even more revenue on videos. And you can activate it with just one click. Viewers can buy Super Thanks on a video page as a way to show support and appreciation. What is YouTube Super Thanks? Super Thanks is a feature that lets users support their favorite YouTube channels and provides creators with a new source of revenue. Viewers can click a thanks button while watching a video to buy a one-time animation and send a personalized, colorful message to stand out in the comment section. Who can use Super Thanks? Super Thanks is available for eligible creators in the YouTube Partner Program. If you have the ability to run ads on your channel and earn money from them, you have the ability to activate Super Thanks. The cost of a Super Thanks is fully up to the viewer and how generous they're feeling at the time. Creators keep 70% of the amount a viewer chooses to contribute. How do I turn on Super Thanks? Setting up Super Thanks is easy and only takes a few steps. To set it up, go to YouTube Studio on desktop and select Monetization from the left-hand navigation menu. Click the Supers tab where you'll find Super Thanks with an on-off toggle. When it's turned on, a thanks button will automatically appear on all your existing and future videos.